Hello everyone, I'm Frank, and welcome to Frank Puzzles. In the month of November, I'm going to be uploading 3 videos every day. 2 of the very easy, or average variety, and 1 that's going to be average, hard, or very hard. And this is because I enjoy doing these puzzles, and I figure, hey, I don't want to stop doing these puzzles, and the videos are fairly easy to make, so I'm just basically making the videos along while I solve it. So this gives me the chance to do more puzzles each day, and hopefully you get to enjoy more of these videos too. Anyways, this is today one of today's easy puzzles. It's gonna be an easy difficulty level, and it's called Foggy Crossing by Flash Groudon. And here are the rules. Normal Sudoku rules apply. Place the digits 1 through 9 once each in every row, every column, and 3x3 box. Little Killer. Question marks represent unknown numbers that must be determined by the solver. These numbers indicate the sum of the digits along their marked diagonal. So this adds up to what this question mark is, and this I can't do this right now. These 9 digits add up to what this number is. The unknown numbers add to 90 and have a difference of 50. Okay, well, that's pretty simple. Kropki. Digits joined by a white dot are consecutive. Digits joined by a black dot have a 1 to 2 ratio. Not all dots are necessarily given. So, okay, well, we don't see anything right now because it's all in fog. But, yeah, in the fog. The grid is covered in fog. Correctly placing a digit reveals the fog around the digit. No guessing is necessary. So that means it can all be logically deduced. Assume there was a black Kropki dot here. Or actually, let's assume there was a white Kropki dot. If this was a 5, this would have to be a 4 or 6 because they have to be consecutive. Now, assume there was a black Kropki dot here. If this was a 2, this would have to be a 1 or 4 because it would have to maintain a 2 to 1 ratio. And those are all the rules. If you'd like to play along, there's going to be a link in the description. And now, I'm going to get started. Let's go. Okay, so the key is that we know the diagonals must add up to 90 total and have a difference of 50. So that means you just have basic algebra. So say one of these is x. X is, let's just say this one is x and this one's y. So x plus y equals 90. And x minus y equals 50 or negative 50. We don't know which one it is. Let's just assume it's x minus y equals 50. So x plus y equals 50, x minus y equals 50. You add up those two together, right? So you have x plus y equals 50, equals 90. You have x minus y, or actually you subtract them. So if you x plus y equals 90, x minus y equals 50. So if you subtract out the equation on both sides, you have x plus y minus x minus y. So the x's canceled out, and then you have y minus a negative y, which means y plus y. So that's 2y then if you subtract out that equation on the left side. Now if you have 90 and 50, subtract that out, that's 40. So therefore y must equal 2y equals 40. And therefore y must equal 20. So we know y equals 20, right? So one of them adds up to 20, which if you have the base minimum is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2, 3. So that's 18 because it's 6 times 3. Now we also know the other side is 7 plus 8 plus 7 plus 8 plus 7 plus 8. Okay, so the maximum you can have is a 5 in the middle, right? So you know it's 1, so it could be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2, 3 on the outside, so that's 12. And then 1, 2, 5 on the inside. So the 5 is the maximum in the middle. So if you have a 5 that's maximum in the middle, what's the max total, right? It could be 7, 8, 9 plus 7, 8, 9. So that's 24 each, which would be 48. And then you have 5, 8, 9, which is 13 plus 9, which is 22. So that would be a minimum of 70 if the maximum is 5. Sorry, a maximum of 70, given that the maximum in the middle is 5. It could be less, right? So the maximum is possible 70. But we know that the difference between the diagonals has to be 50. And we know y is 20, so the x has to be 70, and that works perfectly. So we know that then this has to be 5. So this is 5. We know there's a 1, 2, 1, 2 pair. So either this is 1, 2 or this is 1, 2, right? So this is 4 or 6. We know 1, 1, 2 is either here or here or here or here. So this cannot be 1 or 2. So it could be 3, 4, 6, or 8. If it's 3, this is 6. If it's 4, it's 2 or 8. If it's 6, this is 3. And if it's 8, this is 4. So this can never be 2, because if this is 2, this would have to be 1. We know it goes one way or the other way. We also know, okay, 8 cannot be here either, right? 8, this is a combination of 1, 2, 8, 9 in the corners. So this is 1, 2, 8, or 9. This is 1, 2, 8, or 9. This is 1, 2, 8, or 9. This then has to be 1, 2, 8, or 9. So this is 2 or 8. Oh, which both goes to 4. So this is 4. And this is 6. This becomes a 3, 7 pair. So this cannot be 2 or 8, because 1 and 2 are together, 8 and 9 are together. So this is 1 or 2. Sorry, this is 1 or 9. This becomes... Okay, so this can't be 1, because it can't be in between. This can't be 1 and 2. It could be 4 and 2, so that's possible. So this could be 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, and this would be 4. Can this be 3? It would have to be 3 and 6, so that's not possible. Or this could be 4. In which case this is 3 and 5. So this could be 2 and 8. So we know this is 1, 2, 3, or 7, 8, 9. We also know this is 1, 2, 3, or 7, 8, 9. We also know this is 1, 2, 3, or 7, 8, 9. And we also know this is 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so it cannot be 1, 2, 3. Right? If this is 1, 2, 3, that eliminates either 1, 2, 3 here or 1, 2, 3 here. But one of them has to be 1, 2, or 3. So it cannot be 2 out of 7 or 8. One of these is from 1, 2, or 3. One of these is from 7, 8, 9. So also you've eliminated 7, 8, 9 here. So this can't be 7, 8, 9. So this can't be 1, 2, 3. It cannot be 3. This can't be 6. So this can't be 1 here, right? Because it can't be in between 2 digits. 1 is not consecutive with 2 digits. 1, 2, 3 is eliminated because this can't be 1, 2, 3. One of these has to contain 1 from 1, 2, or 3. It cannot be 3 because this would be 2, 3, 4. Why is that the case? Oh, and this can't be 3, 6 specifically. It could be 4, and in fact it probably is 4. This can't be 6 because that's 6. It can't be 8 because then this would have to be 7, 8, 9. And we know 7, 8, and 9 is here. Therefore, this is 4. Okay, so this is consecutive in 3 black Kropke dots. We know that has to be 2 because 8 does not double into anything that's a digit. So this is 2, this is 1. So we know this is 3, 5, this is 3, 5. So this can't be 2, this can't be 1, this can't be 2, this can't be 1. So we know this is 3, 7, 8, 9. This has to be, well, we don't know. We know one of these is 8 or 9, right? Either this is 1 and this, either this is 9 and this is 8, which means that can't be 8 or 9. Or this is 8 or 9. So either this is 1 and that's 8, and this is 1. Sorry, either this is 9 and that's 8, and this is 1, 2, 1, 2. Or this is 1 and 2, in which case 8 or 9 has to be here. So this can never be 8 or 9. So this is always 6, 7, or 8. So we know the 7 is here. So we know the 7's here. This has to be 6, 8, or 9. So we know the 9 is here. Right? This can never be 8, 9, because either that's 8 or one of these is 8, 9. Therefore, the 9 cannot be here. Therefore, the 9 has to be here. Therefore, we know this is 1. We know this is 2. This has to be one of 8, 9. This is one of 8, 9. So this is 6. We know this is 9, so this has to be 8. So this is 9. This can't be 8. Therefore, this is 6, 7, 8. So this has to be the 1, 2, 3 set. So this cannot be 7, 8, 9. There's no 3. There's no 7, 8, 9. So it's 1, 2, 3. This has to be 1, 2, 3. This cannot be 1, 2, 3. So it's 7, 8, 9. This is 7, 8, 9. Okay. So this is 7, 8, and 9, which means these two have to also be 7, 8, and 9, because these can't be 7, 8, or 9. So this has one of 1 or 2, and this is 6. This cannot have a 4. This can't have 2 or 8. So this cannot be 1 and 6. Sorry, it can't be 1 or 4. So this has to be 3, 6, which means this can't be 3, 6. So this is 7. This can't be 7. So this is 3. So we have 3. This is 5. This is 3. This is 3, 6. So this cannot have a 4. So this has to be 1 and 2. So we have 1, 2, 1, 2. This can't be 7, 8, or 9. Only one of 7, 8, or 9 is here, which means 1 can only be here. There can't be 7, 8, 9 here. There can't be 7, 8, or 9 here. So this is 3 through 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. This can only have one of 7, 8, or 9. So this has to also be 7, 8, or 9. So this is 7 or 8. So this has to be 3, 4, 5. It can't be 3, 4, 3. So it could be 4, 5, 6, and one of 7, 8, 9. So these can't be 7, 8, and 9. So this is 4, 5, 6. Okay. This is 3, 8, 9. This is what? 2, 4, 7. And this is 1, 5, 6. Okay, so this is 6 through 9. It can't be 6 specifically, so this is 7, 8, 9. This is 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 1, 4, 5, 9. So it can't be 1 here. So this is 1, 4, 5, 9. This is, this can't be 2. So this is 2 and 3 here. And we have 4 or 5. No, it doesn't have to be. 2, 3, it could be 4, 5, could be 7, 8. Yeah, we don't know which. We know the 6 is here. We know the 1 is here. Okay, what else do we have? That's it. That's, yeah, not very much. Okay. So that's Kropke. This is 7, 8. 7, 8. So this is also 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Oh, okay, we have 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9. So this cannot be 7, 8, and 9. So this is 4, 5, 4, 5. Therefore, this must be a 6. So 6 cannot be here. This is 9. This is 6. So no 6 here, no 9 here. This has to be consecutive, so this is 7. This is 8 or 9. This is 8 or 9. So this is 7, 8, or 9. No 7, no 8. So this is 7, 8, or 9. This is 1 through 6. This is 1 through 6. This is 1 through 6. No 4, 5 here. No 6. So this is 1, 2, or 3. This can't be 7, so this can't be 7. This can't be 9. So this is 8 or 9. Okay. So 1 of 4, 5 is here. So this cannot be 7, 8. 1 of 4, 5 is here. This is 6 and 7. Oh, so this is 9. This is 9. This is 8. These can't be 8. This is consecutive, so this has to be 7 and 6. So this is 3. This is 9. This is 6, 3, 8, 7. This is 1, 9, 2, 3. So this is, that's 3 in the corner. This is 1. This is 2. These are 1, 2 pairs. We have 4, 5 pairs here. This cannot be a 9. This can't be 9. This can't be 3 or 8. But this, so therefore it's 9. So this is consecutive. That's 8. This is 3. No 7, no 6, no 3, no 3. So this is the 3. No 9s here. This can't be 3. No 2s. This is an 8. This is 7. That's 9. This is 8. This is 7. If this was 1, this would have to be 2. But that's not possible because 2 is already there. So this is 3, 6. This is 1. This can't be 8. So this is 8. We know this is 2, 4, 5. And this is 4, 5. No 8. No 8. No 7. No 6. No 9. No 1. No 3. Okay. So this is 1, 2, 4, 5, 7. So this can't be 1 or 7. 8 has to, okay, so 9 cannot be here. Cannot be here, cannot be here. So this is 9. So this can't be 9, so therefore this is 9. And now it looks like we're just doing Sudoku. So that's 1, 2, 1, 2. So no 1 or 2. So this is 8 with 3, with 4, 5, 6, 7. So no 7, no 6. This cannot, okay, so that's 1 or 2. That's 1 or 2. This can't be 1 or 2, right? This is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it can't be 6, 7, or 8. This is 4, 5, 4, 5. No 4, 5, no 4, 5, no 4, 5. So that makes that 7. This is 8. This is 6. 6, 8, 7. This is 5. This can't be 7. So this is 7. This is 4. 1. That gives us 2, 1. This can't, this has to be 3, which makes that 2. This is 5. This is 4, 5, 4, 5. This is 2, 1. This is 4. This is 2, 6, 5, 4, 5, 2, 1, 4, 5, and 4. Pretty straightforward. Yeah, no real major logic issues. I don't know if I would consider that easy. I think I would probably consider that very easy, right? Pretty logical here. I mean, it wasn't. I don't know. Eh, I thought it was pretty easy. And I hope you had a good time with the solve. Anyways, I'll see you next time on Frank Puzzles. Take care.